Hello, my friends, mis amigos. Today we are going to talk about the sharing card. It got a funny name in Spanish. It's called the resource back, bolsa de recursos. But it's just the same. It's a very useful tool when you have a lot of designing work, a lot of courses to design. It's very useful to automate your activities. Let's say that we want to move this training about ScreenPal from module 1 to module 6. Okay, we go to the editing mode. Now we can add a block. Here are the blocks, and we look for the bolsa de recursos, resource back. Now we have here the resource back. Okay, and now you can see that all the activities and resources have this little basket. It means that you can click them and you can get them into the resource back, the sharing card. Let's just move the instructions about the ScreenPal. Once we click it and confirm, here is the activity. Now we want to go to module 6, for example. And we want the activity to be at the end of the module, before the task, the final assessment. So we go to the sharing card, copy it, and you get this space where you can just copy your activity, your resource, sorry. Here it is, and I can move it around. Module 6. Here it is. Module 6. Module 6. Okay. We are going to move it up here. And here is my training about ScreenPal in module 6. Using the sharing card or the resource back in Spanish. Okay, let's go out of the editing mode, and that's all for now. I just show the academic sections without the bars, sidebars. Okay, thank you very much for your viewing. Bye bye.